When I moved to Ecuador, I started out very happy. Everything is beautiful, there's all this fresh food, US dollars makes life easy, and in Loja, K-Taxi comes in literally 1 minute. And I'm still mostly happy, but I'm sure we all have our list of stuff that frustrates us, and for me, near the very top is the fact that really everything is cash. You may have experienced standing in line, trying to buy a water bottle, you only have a $10 or a $20 bill, and the store owner has to scurry around and everyone waits for 15 minutes for the change to be made. Or maybe you're in a taxi and the driver doesn't have any change and you have to pay them back later. You may know that I am co-owner of a Sukawasi restaurant in San Pedro with Maya Choi, my adopted mother, and we have to go every week to the church and we pay Padre Luis a couple dollars of offering in order to give us like $60 worth of $1 coins because the bank doesn't have enough. After doing this for a while, I've just become very sick of it. So I wish there was an easier way, something like Venmo in the United States, where you could just scan a QR code and pay exact change very quickly. So I'm super excited to share this new app that I've been working on. It's called Senseg. You can try it here in Vilcabamba first. Our goal is to eventually get to all of the country, but we're still kind of testing and developing here locally. But it works. It's in a bunch of your favorite stores. You can get groceries, pay for food, go to restaurants, even pay your internet bill. We have this directory. Let me know any other stores that you want to see here. Working on getting the fruit stand and some others. Would love to see folks download and try it. It's free, and I hope that this can make everyone's lives more easy because I never want to pay cash in a taxi again, and I think that this could make that happen.